Okay, just happened to be lucky enough to catch two trains here. I'm in Salamanca. I think I'm recording. This is right in front of the Salamanca Rail Museum, as you can see across the tracks right there. I don't know what railroad this is. We're going right across Main Street in Salamanca. And that is the old wind splitter station for the Erie right there. We're looking at it. See if we can get closer. No, there goes the train. Past both stations. That's the overpass there on Main Street. Go backwards here. There you can see the cabooses and stuff underneath. Over there at the old WNY&PA station. The old WNY&PA freight depot. I'm going to zoom back out here. There we go. Lots of graffiti here. Kim Nicholas. There you go, Kim. I think it's ugly, but whatever. Tank cars are all empty because they're not allowed to haul that many in a row. At least I think they are. It's a long train for 2 inches. There we go again. There's the old station. That's abandoned. That tree's growing out of the roof. Supposed to be restored, but I don't know how that goes. Picking up speed. Here we are. All tank cars. There's a whole string of cabooses over there. Holy moly, here comes the end of it. Alright, I'm just ready to quit filming. Here we go, this is the caboose. Goes off to Buffalo, I guess. There's the Rail Museum. Let's see if we can zoom there. Salamanca Rail Museum. 29th of January 2014. It's about 5 frickin' degrees out here. Okay. There's the old freight depot. There's some cabooses. All in a row. Some other cars. Okay, signing off.